So first you're going to divide your waist circumference by 4, add 1 inch sewing allowance, and from your waist you're going to come down and mark your hip point. From that point you're going to divide your hip circumference by 4, add 1 inch for sewing allowance, and you're going to come down from the waist to mark your foot length and connect all those points together like you see me connecting. Next, you're going to mark your waistband of 1.5 inch from this point, and you're going to connect these lines together like so. You're going to connect it, rule a straight line across, and after which you're going to open this up like this. You're going to open it up and connect these lines all the way to the other side, and afterward you're going to close it back together and then trim off the excess. So you're using this same pattern to cut both the back and the front. So this pattern is for both the back and the front, is exactly the same thing. So next I'm going to place it on another pattern paper like this, and we're just going to go ahead and cut it. You're just going to go ahead and follow the pattern that we've already cut out and cut open here. Now this is the part that we're going to be using to create the ruffles. So next you're going to open this part up, and then you're going to create straight lines across like this, just as I've done, and we're going to be cutting this part open so that we can spread it on pattern paper or on your fabric. We're going to cut it open as you see me doing, right? So you're just going to cut these lines open so that you can spread it on another pattern paper or on your fabric, and then spread it out. So after you place it on your pattern paper or on your fabric, what you're going to do is, first of all, mark a straight line. I'm going to do that. Just mark a straight line so that you can go ahead now and place them as you see me placing. You're going to place them properly. Then as you place the first one, what you're going to do is to use your tape. If you're placing it on your fabric, you use your pin to hold it in place. But since I'm placing it on the pattern paper, I'm using my tape to hold them down. So you can see that I've drawn the straight line, and from that straight line you're going to place all the others and then continue from there. Now for the spacing, you can do what you prefer. You can do 4 inches, 5 inches. It depends on how full you want it to be. So after you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and connect it this way. You're going to place your curve rule as I've placed it here, and then connect it just as I've done. Can you see the shape that I've gotten? So this is what you're going to get. Or you can even decide to make yours a little bit different. Like I always emphasize, you can just do what you prefer, but this is exactly what you're going to do if you're going to follow the pattern on the style above, and just go ahead and then pin them down, or you tape it down, and this is what we have. And right now I'm just assembling all the pieces together for you to see. So these are all the pieces for their skirt.